Hi, Mariam. Well, what a better place than Russia to talk about gold. As you say, I'm with Mr. Hambro. Thank you very much for being with us. Last time we spoke here in Russia, we talked about the price of gold. We always want to talk about the price of gold. It's at $13.37 now. I'll remind you then you were much more bullish. What's going to happen with the price of gold this year?
Well, when we last talked, it went up again after we spoke, so I wasn't all that wrong. I think that we're going to see relatively flat markets now, probably till June, maybe around then. But I think that people's interest in inflation, which is the driving factor here, and the real problems of the value of money, is what's going to drive it back up again.
So at the end of the year, where do you see the gold price?
Well, somewhere between 1,500 and 2,000. Hard to be that accurate from here, but that
would be up as much as 50% potentially.
No.
If we're at 13.37 now, if we went
to 1,500 to 2,000 is not 50%.
Yeah.
But it could. I think we're in for a spike, but I don't think it'll be until probably the end of the year.
Let's talk about gold production. You missed your 2010 production target, which had even before that been lowered. 2011, do you expect to meet your target? What's happening?
Yes, what we've done is respond to the market and given a minimum production figure for 2011. We haven't included anything coming from new mines, new projects, and so we'll update the market quarterly after that. But 600,000, I'm very confident about.
Not too conservative of a number.
It's a conservative number, yes, and that's what we wanted to do. That's what people want us to say.
We've seen from some other gold miners the first quarter has been a bit rough in terms of production. Is that the picture at Petropavlovsk?
The first quarter, we've only got a month into
Yeah, that's right.
Our production is always back-end loaded because we have large production from heap leach and from alluvial mining, which are weather dependent.
Last question. Severstal is listing its gold unit right now in London. Polyus has been trying to list or wants to list in London. What does that mean? Are we looking at consolidation on the market?
I think it means that London is the premier place to list. I think it's very good for us because it means that we've got people against whom investors can compare us. Our production, our costs, and so on will be compared against Nordgold, against Polyus, in a way that they weren't before because of the different listings.
Everybody's talking about tie-ups. Are you interested in merging with someone? Or?
We had nobody's approached me at the moment.
All right, we're going to leave it there. Thank you very much. That was obviously Peter Hambro, chairman of Petropavlovsk, one of the top gold producers here in Russia, talking about the outlook and some of the interesting stuff we're seeing with production in this country.